The basics exercise is a particular form of physical activity, planned, purposeful physical activity executed with the intent of gaining fitness or other health advantages. Exercising at a health club, swimming, cycling, running, and sports, like golf and tennis, are all kinds of exercise. How can you tell if an action is considered moderate or vigorous in intensity level? If you are able to talk although executing it, it's moderate. If you have to stop to catch, vigorous. Depending upon your fitness level, a game of doubles tennis would likely be moderate in intensity level, although a singles game could be more vigorous. Also, ballroom dance would be moderate, however aerobic dance could be considered vigorous. Once again, it's not simply your choice of activity, it's how much effort it demands. Ideally, an exercise regimen should include elements designed to better each of these components: cardiorespiratory endurance. Better your respiratory endurance, your ability to engage in aerobics, through actions like brisk walking, jogging, running, cycling, swimming, jumping rope, rowing, or cross-country skiing. As you reach distance or intensity level goals, reset them higher or shift to a different action to keep challenging yourself. Muscular force. You are able to better muscular strength most efficiently by lifting weights, utilizing either free weights like barbells and dumbbells or lifting machines. Muscular endurance. Better your endurance with calisthenics, conditioning exercises, weight training, and actions like running or swimming. Flexibleness. Work to better your level of flexibility through stretching exercises that are done as part of your exercise or through a discipline like yoga or Pilates that contains stretching. Although it's possible to handle all of these fitness factors with a physically active lifestyle, an exercise program should help you accomplish even greater advantages. Increasing the sum of physical activity in your daily life is a great beginning, like parking a couple of blocks from your destination to get in a little walking. However, to truly accomplish fitness goals, you'll need to incorporate structured, vigorous actions into your schedule to help you accomplish even more of your fitness and health.